Hey there, and welcome to this explainer. So, if you've been reading the news, endlessly scrolling your feed, or just chatting with colleagues by the coffee machine lately, you've definitely felt it. There's this huge, undeniable anxiety surrounding artificial intelligence in the workforce right now. I mean, it feels like every single day a new algorithm drops that can pass the bar exam, write a whole app from scratch, or just generate these mind blowing images in seconds. It's totally natural to look at those rapid advancements and feel, well, a bit of vertigo about the future of your own career. Today, we're breaking down a fascinating piece of research titled The Irreplaceable Human Element in the Workforce: 5 Jobs AI Can't Replace. We're going to look strictly at the structural realities of what machines can do and, honestly, more importantly, what they fundamentally cannot do.
'Cause it's the elephant in the room, isn't it? Let's just tackle it head on. Is your job safe from AI? Seriously, take a quick second to really consider your own daily tasks, your workflow, and your overall career security. When we literally see machines doing what used to take humans hours or even days, the knee jerk reaction is totally panic. We wonder, am I obsolete? But to actually answer that question accurately, we have to look past all the hype and understand the absolute hard limits of this tech. We need to figure out what truly separates a human worker from just a string of code.
And that separation? It all boils down to what we call the human element. Now, this isn't just some poetic feel good phrase, it is a definitive, hard structural boundary. The human element is this incredibly unique combination of emotional intelligence, physical adaptability, and abstract thought that machines simply cannot replicate. A computer can process billions of data points in a blink, sure, but it doesn't feel. It can calculate trajectories, but it cannot organically adapt to a messy, chaotic physical space. It synthesizes existing info, but it absolutely cannot dream. This concept is going to be our anchor for this entire explainer because this human element, that is our ultimate defense against automation.
Okay, let's dive into this. We've got the theory down, but what does this actually look like in the real world? How does this protect your livelihood? We're going to examine the evidence by checking out 5 distinct, completely unautomatable roles. Now, these aren't necessarily specific job titles, but more like vital categories of human work that rely 100% on that human element we just defined. So, number one, let's look at roles that require deep, genuine emotional intelligence. This is a category of work demanding something a server farm is never going to generate, no matter how much computing power you throw at it. Think about counseling, therapy, complex social work, or advanced patient care. AI's approach to human emotion is literally just math. It relies entirely on pattern recognition and scripted responses. Like if you tell an AI you're sad, it searches a database for words associated with sadness and spits out a statistically appropriate, comforting response. But a machine can't be vulnerable. And human trust, that is built on shared vulnerability. When a human counselor looks you in the eye, they're pulling from their own messy, lived experience of pain, joy, and struggle to actually share your emotional state. Humans read microexpressions, we sense the tension in a room, and we just pivot our approach on intuition. Cold machine logic fundamentally hits a wall when a job needs a warm, authentic human heart. Number two, we are stepping completely out of the emotional realm now and squarely into the physical world. So, there's this really famous concept in computer science called Moravec's paradox. It basically states that it's super easy to make computers do high level reasoning, but almost impossible to give them the physical dexterity of, say, a 1-year-old child. AI and robotics work amazingly well in highly controlled spaces, like a factory floor where every single movement is rigid and perfectly programmed. But the real world? The real world is chaotic. Think of a plumber trying to navigate a flooded, cramped basement, an electrician rewiring some old, unpredictable house, or a search and rescue worker climbing through literal rubble. The human approach brings this incredible, adaptable physical dexterity to unpredictable environments. We can instantly adjust our grip, shift our weight, and solve complex spatial puzzles totally on the fly. Human adaptability in these dynamic, messy physical tasks just continuously outpaces robotics, making these hands-on, environmental problem-solving roles highly secure.
Moving on to number 3. We've talked about the heart, we've talked about the hands. Now let's shift gears to the utterly unique capabilities of the human mind. When we talk about generative AI making art or writing stories, it's actually just interpolating. It connects existing dots based on historical trends. Basically, it looks backward to predict what should come next based on what has already been done. It is incredibly sophisticated mimicry. But human creativity, it extrapolates. The human approach is all about generating truly original ideas and making massive conceptual leaps. Like, we can experience a sunset and a heartbreak and just leap to a completely unprecedented, totally original idea. We mash up unrelated feelings into a revolutionary piece of art, or a new scientific hypothesis, or even a radical new business model. AI just can't match true abstract creativity, mostly because it lacks that spark of human inspiration that breaks all the rules to create something entirely new. Number 4, this one focuses on complex, nuanced reasoning. It's all about how we navigate the world when the answers aren't just simple equations. AI operates by optimizing for a programmed goal. It literally just seeks efficiency based on strict black and white parameters. But hey, human society doesn't operate in black and white, right? It operates in endless, messy shades of gray. The human approach is absolutely essential for navigating moral gray areas and complex ethical judgments. Think about an AI being used for corporate hiring or loan approvals. It might find the absolute most statistically efficient path, but it's going to completely miss contextual fairness or nuanced circumstances. We desperately need human workers who actually understand context, mercy, justice, and cultural nuance. Humans are totally irreplaceable when the job demands deciding not just what is efficient, but what is actually fair. And just like that, we have arrived at the final category. We've covered empathy, physical adaptability, originality, and ethical reasoning. But this last role, it brings literally all of those elements together. This is the absolute pinnacle of human connection, and it is the ultimate barrier that AI simply cannot cross. Number 5. The most crucial, the most secure, and honestly, arguably the most vital role in our future economy. Sure, AI can simulate interaction. It can even simulate a commanding, confident tone of voice. But it does all of that completely without a shared lived experience. And you just cannot truly follow a leader who has never known fear or failure or the heavy weight of consequences. Think about it. When a CEO guides a company through a massive crisis, their team isn't just looking at the spreadsheets. They're looking at the sweat on the CEO's brow. The human approach in this role provides authentic trust, visionary leadership, and real deep connection. Whether you're a community leader organizing a neighborhood, a manager trying to hold a team together, or a spiritual guide, your value comes from the fact that you are a human being standing shoulder to shoulder with other human beings. Authentic human-to-human trust and leadership, that represents the absolute peak of what makes us irreplaceable. At the end of the day, we follow people, we believe in people, and we trust people. So, synthesizing everything we've uncovered today, the core takeaway is this. The irreplaceable human element is our ultimate defense against automation. It is not about trying to compete with AI on speed or memory or data processing. No way. It is about leaning heavily into the very things that make us fundamentally different from the machines. Your inherent value in the workforce isn't your ability to act like a computer. Actually, scratch that. It's the exact opposite. It's your ability to be unequivocally, unapologetically human.
So let's just take a breath and slow down for a second. We've looked at the data, we've looked at the roles, but now I want you to really think about your place tomorrow. Take a hard look at your own day-to-day life. Look at the tasks sitting on your desk right now. Which of those tasks are purely mechanical, and which of them actually rely on your humanity? Because the key to your future security isn't running away from technology. It's strategically shifting your energy toward the human side of your daily equation. And to help you do exactly that, here is your unautomatable toolkit. This is the synthesis of everything we've covered today, giving you a crystal clear roadmap. Deep empathy, complex physical dexterity, abstract creativity, ethical reasoning, authentic leadership. Literally, no matter what industry you are in, these are the skills you need to develop. If you're an accountant, lean into the ethical reasoning and the empathetic advising of your clients. If you're a manager, focus your energy entirely on authentic leadership and building trust. This toolkit right here, this is how you future-proof yourself. I want to leave you with this final thought. Knowing what you know now about the absolute limits of AI and the incredible, utterly unique power of your own humanity, how will you cultivate your own irreplaceable human element tomorrow? Don't try to outcompute the machine. Out-human it. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.
If you found this documentary helpful, subscribe to the channel for more deep explorations into artificial intelligence, future technology, science, and the hidden forces shaping our world.